In a lot of work situations, we need to calculate running totals or cumulative sums. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to calculate running totals. We have the data for sales per month here. Let's calculate the running totals. The method is very simple. We will use the sum function. The range for the first row will be from B2 to B2. However, what we will do is, we will fix the reference for the first B2. We will do this so that as we copy the formula, we always start the total from the first cell. And it will add the values till the row where we have the formula. If this is not clear, then let's copy the formula and you will see the formula in action and it will become clear then. Now that I have copied, let's look at the formula in different rows. In the row 2, the formula is adding the sum of the cell B2. Therefore, the value is the same as the cell B2. Now in the next row, it is adding the sales of the first 2 months. Because we had fixed the reference of the first row, it starts the addition from January. Similarly for March, you will notice it is adding the values from January to March. $B$2 ensures that the addition starts from January, and since the end of the range isn't fixed, for March, it adds values up to B4. And as we continue, when we reach December, the range becomes B2 to B13. So that's how simple it is to calculate running totals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.